I'm Carina Boston Pinales of San Marcos, Texas. I'm here in Melbourne for the second time for Global Entrepreneurship Congress. Last year I was at Riyadh and I had a wonderful time, so it made me very much anticipate coming to Melbourne this year. I'm the founder and owner of Splash Co-working. We're a very inclusive, grassroots, local co-working space in the heart of the innovation corridor of Texas. And we have just recently formed the Riparius Foundation, which is our 501c3 leg, in order for us to do our entrepreneurship programming and provide more services for our entrepreneurs. What I really enjoyed about Riyadh was it gave me an opportunity to connect with other experts and industry leaders to learn about the approaches to working with government and solidifying an LOI with local government. I took those lessons, I applied them, and I made it happen. And now I can come to Melbourne saying we have a signed MOU with our economic development partnership, along with participation and collaboration with our local government, from the state level to the county level and just our city as well. I am an entrepreneur myself. I needed a space, I needed a community, and I needed resources. And I couldn't find it anywhere in our small town. We're in between Austin and San Antonio, which sandwiches us between two large growing cities. Because of that, we lack resources, we lack opportunities. And Splash has given us a place to make some waves and create an entrepreneurial hub that pollinates the next generations of co-working startups, entrepreneurs, and innovators.